started on this look, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. This is just for the beauty side of my look. And guys, you can do any kind of beauty look for the beauty side, whatever like fits you. This is just my everyday look, so this is what I'm doing on this side. So it's pretty much just like an orange smoky eye with a winged eyeliner. And for the winged eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Felt Tip Liner, and to fill in my brows, I'm using the Fill and Fluff Brow Pencil, and this is also by NYX. These lashes are incredible. So these are the Tati lashes in TL1. For the lips, I'm using the Dose of Color Liquid Lipstick in Truffle. To bronze out my face and add a little contour, I'm using the matte powder in Toffee by Rimmel London. I forgot how much I like this powder. Okay, so now for the fun part, we're moving on to the Freddy side. I'm using the shade Pomegranate by Mud Cosmetics just to add the undertone for his burned skin. And whoops, I forgot to glue down my brow, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. I don't plan these looks, guys. I'm always improvising, so stay with me. So just use a non-toxic glue stick for this part, obviously. Now I'm going back in with that red to lay down the base. Be as splotchy as possible since you don't want this to look natural. It's just more of like an uneven skin look. Bringing it out randomly always makes it look more natural, so asymmetrical is the way to go. To build on top of that shadow, we're gonna use some liquid latex. This is just going to create some texture on top of the skin, so coat over top of all of that red. I'm creating layers of this just to make it look a little bit thicker. While the latex is still drying, I'm going in with some coffee grinds. This is just a K-cup. It's just gonna give it like that singed, burned look. Coffee grinds are perfect for that. And it's also just gonna add some texture to the skin. Using the Master Bruise Color Wheel by Ben Nye, I'm just going in with that red shade to create more prominent red splotches. To tone it down a bit, I'm using some foundation over top. So this is the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation by NYX. After those layers of liquid latex is dry, you can go in and rip little holes in there to create that classic Freddy look. The great thing about this look is that nothing needs to be precise, so wherever you think there needs to be a hole added, you can just create it. That sounded weird. Now fill in all of those holes that you created using that red eyeshadow that we used as the base. Using that deeper red shade from the palette, we're gonna go in and add some depth to each hole. So basically, line half of an edge of each hole, so do it randomly so that they aren't all in the same direction. I'll zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So it's just gonna be kind of sporadic. I added my Freddy sweater and a light gray contact to make my eye look like it was dying. I don't know. At this time, I didn't have like a fully grayed out contact. If you do, definitely use that. Oh, but anyway, this contact is Polar Lights Gray by TTDI, in case you were wondering. To add more coffee grounds to the finished look, I'm just going in with spirit gum and just kind of like adding this sporadically and then topping it off with the grinds. And there you go, guys. This look is super easy to recreate, but it just has such a cool effect. So if you guys wind up recreating it, definitely tag me over on Instagram and I'll repost you guys. Let me know what you think of the look in the comments down below. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. That really helps me out. And yeah, subscribe to my channel to see more Halloween looks. I love you guys so much. Let me know if you have any other ideas in the comments down below. I love you. I already said that. I'll see you in the next one.